baby, my mama used to rock me in the cradle in them old cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back home. When them cotton balls get ripe, you can't pay very much cotton in them old cotton fields back home. Oh, it was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old